Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Samsung SmartThings with Matter devices step by step clearly. To start, ensure your Samsung SmartThings app is installed on your smartphone. Open the SmartThings app and sign in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices tab. Look for an option called Add Device or a plus icon, usually located at the top right corner. Choose Add Device to begin the pairing process. Next, select the option for Matter devices. Make sure your Matter-compatible device is powered on and in pairing mode. Refer to your device's manual for instructions on how to enable pairing mode. Once your Matter device is in pairing mode, return to the SmartThings app. The app should automatically scan for available devices. When your Matter device appears on the screen, tap on it to begin authorization. You may be prompted to name your device for easier identification. Enter a name that is intuitive and memorable for your household. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. This may include specifying the device location within your home. Once completed, the SmartThings app will confirm that the device has been successfully added. You can now control your Matter devices directly from the SmartThings app. Explore the various settings and automation options for your new device. Check to ensure the device responds when you try to control it from the app. Your Matter device is now authorized and fully integrated with SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.